Hey guys, I present to you Weapon Return System. Allows you to add a weapon throw and recall mechanic with customizable trajectories. Built for Unreal Engine 5, it enables you to improve your project's combat mechanics immediately. This system provides a modular solution based on a single component, easy to use and integrate, that allows you to throw and recall any type of weapon, such as axes or shields.
Weapon Return System. Buy now.
This system includes various subsystems, 3 customized weapon skeletal meshes, weapon throw and recall animations, and custom weapon animations that you can reuse for any new weapon you add. You can customize each weapon's blueprints independently and manage everything from a single data table. Also includes item pickup and drop system. With Weapon Return System, you get a comprehensive framework that includes a weapon throw and recall system, angle detection, weapon swapping, a dynamic weapon HUD, VFX, and SFX systems, and deep customization options.
Weapon Return System. Buy now.